Ladies and gentlemen, this is Andean condor. And they can be found in Andes mountain of Peru. They are the largest and the heaviest bird of prey in the world. Weighing at 15 kilos, they have an amazing wingspan that can measure up to 3.2 meters. Now in the short while, I'm going to demonstrate that wingspan. Look at that. Now ladies and gentlemen, vultures are generally scavengers. They do not hunt for their food. When they chance upon a carcass, they will try to eat as much and as quickly as possible because they do not know when their next meal is going to be. They have a very powerful suction system which allows them to swallow their food extremely fast. Now he has done well, it's time for him to head back home. They're feeding on carcass. That's why they are also known as the keystone species. Without them, the world will definitely be a smellier place. But with that, we shall continue. When one vulture descends upon a carcass, the rest will follow. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a group of vultures out here and I'm going to start introducing them one by one. Starting with the one on my hand. This would be the white-headed vulture, and the two small ones that just joined us are the white-backed vultures. Now all these vultures can only be found in Africa, while the big brown guy over there, that would be the Cinereus vulture, and they can also be found in Europe and Asia on a huge carcass, just like so. Ladies and gentlemen, we have more birds joining us. Take a look right back there. All these birds flying around are called brownie kites, and they can be found in Southeast Asia. We're going to watch them make a few more impressive catches. And with that, after having seen all these birds flown here today, I'm sure all of you would agree that they certainly deserve and merit the title of the skies. Now ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions regarding the show, you can approach me later on. Now, there are a few programs lining up for you.